Hey there, Jim here. In this video, I'm going to show how we built a reporting dashboard that we send to our clients every end of week on Friday using make.com and then this Google spreadsheet template. So just an overview of what our dashboard looks like. This is the summary tab, which contains the overall overview of our campaigns. So we had this client, I think for almost 2 years now, and it shows the overall count across our campaigns, the week by week stats in this table, as well as the results by segment. So we had a lot of segments of retarget and also by geography. So that information is from this table called all, which is the exported information from our campaigns in Lemlist. And just using clever formulas, we have the pivot table here, which is the source of that summary tab, and also the weekly report. So to do that, I'm now here in main.com. So this is just simple workflow. So it starts with listing all of the campaigns that you have on Lemlist, and then using an iterator. So it just splits that array of attachment into single bundles. We will get the campaign ID out of that, and then use this next module, which is to get the campaign stats. So basically, we will just get all of the campaign stats, determined by the campaign ID. And then once we have that, we will perform a Google Sheets search rows, or like a lookup on our sheet. So which is this. So just set that up, get the spreadsheet ID, identify the sheet name, which is in this tab, all. And then you will just get the campaign ID in a column, because we will perform a lookup, because we'll use a router to branch the scenario. Let's say the campaign is already here in our sheet, so it will just update that row or update the existing data here. And if it is not existing yet in this sheet, it will add a row and then export that information, especially for the newer campaigns here. In this example, we have it here at the bottom. So that's just a basic flow. Maybe I can share the blueprint in the comments. So I'll do that. And don't forget to run this on a custom schedule. So we send the report every Friday, end of week. So I just timed this as 11 a.m. because I usually send the report um in the afternoon, so that we will pull in all of the data in the morning, and then we're gonna send that in the afternoon. So once we have that schedule, it will automatically run at that time. So no need to go back here and make.com, because the dashboard will automatically be updated. So that's for updating the overall count of the campaigns. Just to have these numbers that we have here in this in the sheet. But we also have a tab to get the interested leads, or get all of the information out of the leads which express interest in our campaigns. So we map their information here so that we can document each lead that came in. So we have this separate workflow on make.com. So actually, the second one is just a duplicate of the first flow. So what it does is it retrieves um, uh, leads that are marked as interested. So you will use the retrieve activities module in Lemlist, and then you will specify the activity as lead marked as interested. So, and then it will perform a lookup on that particular sheet, which is this one, interested leads. And then similar to the early flow, we'll have the option to update the row if that already exists, or add a row if the lead does not exist yet. So for the second flow that you see here, we just have this because what happened in Lemlist is that it doesn't export beyond 100 leads because of a pagination issue. So I had to duplicate this And then uh, that duplicated flow can then now export the rest of the leads, because in total for this client we have over 296 interested leads already. So yeah, I can also share the blueprint here in the comments. I'll just share that with you. And yeah, that's just it. It's a very simple flow from obtaining the campaign data, you know, and then doing a lookup and then updating and adding rows in the spreadsheet, so we can now obtain the export information, and then just use some clever formulas just like this. Actually just use chat gpt to do this, to build this formula tables. So, and also I'm gonna share the exact Google spreadsheet template, so that it will be helpful for you if you're using Lemlist for your clients. And I hope this video helps, and happy prospecting.